What's going on, guys? Kazuto Gaming back, and welcome to Far Cry 4 yet again. And we're looking at Sabal's beautiful looking weird. Oh god, I should not have walked closer to it. What is this though? You guys see that? What is that? That looks weird. What the hell is that? Okay, well, whatever. Welcome back. This bitch is still smoking out here. What the hell you doing? Quit? Yet I am smoking. Seriously. I'll kill you before the other guys can. Ooh, ammo. How nice.
Ajay, you made it.
What are you?
Good job, son of Mohan.
Why are you guys helping me?
Ammo boxes. Oh, cool.
You may not know it, but that name carries a lot of weight in Kirat. Especially for the
Hey, Sabal.
Are those army guys still
I shot him in the head. He didn't die, guys. You see this, right?
Some of Pagan's men managed to track us. They'll be here any second.
Oh. I killed Sabal. Fuck the golden path. Nah, I'm kidding, guys. Oh my god. I was shooting him in the head and he wasn't dying. That's not my fault, is it? Okay. That's... Ooh, that's health. Ooh, that's health. That's very nice to have. Oh, I'm not even at the top yet. Hold on. Headshot, motherfuckers. Hope you enjoy grenade. Ow! Hope you enjoy that grenade. I'm shooting these guys in the head. How are they not dying? Okay.
Ajay, avalanche.
What? What? Oh, okay, okay, okay. I take cover right here. And I kneel down. Oh my god. I heard avalanche. I'm like, where? Where? Oh my god, guys. Whew, that was freaky. Oh, good thing I survived that. But wait, that doesn't make sense. I was behind a wall. Oh, it would make sense if the building got knocked over. Oh, that probably would have died if I didn't die in real life.
You're a tough man to kill.
Sorry, guys. The mouths in the background are my cats. Excuse me a minute. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Cats can sometimes be annoying. Don't even know what they wanted. They were just crying for attention, most likely. Or they thought my parents were home, or whatever. Oh, I can't wait to move out. Get my own damn place.
We saw Bacon's chopper nearby. He's never down this far south, and I wanted to know why. Lucky for you, we were in the area when we got Darpan's text. Well, we're here. Welcome to Banapur, home of the Golden Path.
Okay, this is a small home for you guys. Oh, hi, Mita.
He didn't make it. This is Ajay Gale, Mohan's son.
Let me understand. Darpan's dead. Hmm? And you brought me this.
Oh,
I'm not
thanks.
involved in whatever this is. I'm just looking for Lakshman.
We're in the middle of a fucking war. We don't have time for tourists.
I'm not a tourist, damn
What
it.
was I supposed to do? Just leave him there?
Dude, I would have rescued Darpan, to be honest.
I'm sorry, brother.
Could have rescued me another day.
Duchy, I'll talk to her. As for Lakshmana, it sounds like it could be a temple or shrine. But if that's the case, it's in the north. The north is enemy territory, and we can't get you there, not yet. Go and clear your head.
There's a monkey on the roof.
Come find me when you're ready.
Now go screw off, Sabal. I can tell you're not going to be a nice guy in the end. Look at the little monkey. What's the monkey doing up there? Look at that. Monkey, what are you doing up there? Oh god, that's probably binding you guys. What are you doing up there, monkey? Okay, so I'm guessing the A is Amita and S is Sabal. You can do both of their missions, but I kind of just want to follow Amita because I think her running the golden path would be better.
I shouldn't be doing this. I am teaching you to protect yourself.
Oh my god, my cat's again.
Ah, the tourist. I'm Amita.
Sorry guys, my cats keep trying to get my attention.
Keep working. Look, I overreacted back there.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're at war. We keep losing soldiers, the work keeps piling up.
That's probably because Sabal's running the place.
I want to help.
Look at Badra back there.
Sure.
He's playing with the bow.
From here. Kanan runs it, but she's old and she could use your help with some wild animals.
Ooh, some wild animals.
I need you to keep the hides intact, so use this.
Well, get a bow and arrow. I had an old style bow with good arrows. Alright then.
Very good.
Let's do it. Where did they? They were just here practicing. What happened to my gun? Aw. Oh, listen guys. Ooh. Oh, can I take this? Oh, this is gonna be fun, guys. Oh, I would be scared out of my mind. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Oh god, that was freaky. Oh, I'm not gonna make it all the way over there, am I? Shit, I'm gonna have to bail here. Ow. Oh hey, I can craft stuff. I can craft a bigger wallet. Okay, let's see. I want a weapon holster, so I need timber wolf skin. Or Timben wolf skin. What is going on up here? What is this? Help the rebels fight. Okay. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Stop wasting ammo. No wonder you're losing soldiers. Jesus, am I right, guys? If you waste ammo, of course you're gonna lose soldiers. Because you got no ammo. Like, seriously. Hello, lady. I was supposed to talk to you, right? Yeah.
Fuck.
Fuck off, wolves. I don't like you.
Amita sent me over. She said you might have some kind of wild animal problem. Hey, Amita, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do here.
Wolves are a common nuisance
Oh.
at Kanan Farm.
Sorry, guys. I
There's
thought
often a number
this
of them, but this
was
year
a
they're
bird.
especially aggressive,
What was
and I'm worried
that
about
right there?
There's
Yeah,
a
see that?
den nearby. Clear it out, huh? I think Kanan has supplies stockpiled somewhere on her farm that you can use. And Ajay, skin your kills.
Yeah.
Always use the pelts.
Got him. I'll take you, because now I have two skins. Yeah. Shut up, wolves. Okay, camera. Wolf 1. Wolf 2. Why'd I get the feeling there's gonna be a third wolf? Oh shit, I almost fell off. That would have been dangerous. Okay, yeah, I know I shouldn't probably be running in here, but I really want to. So now all I gotta do is destroy the wolf's den. Why would I want to destroy it? I'd have much more fun doing this. Hunting them down. Oh, right in the face. Ah, shit. Cool. I'm gonna quickly do this. And destroy the wolf's den. Shit. Sorry you guys couldn't see that explosion. I'm more concerned about this motherfucking wolf. Hi! Fuck off. Shit. God damn. Am I right, guys? Fucking wolf. Okay. Let's take some more of you. Ah! Fuck! Jesus! Fuck. Jesus. God dang it, that scared me. Oh, God. God, guys, that scared the crap out of me. You're honest. Come on. No, stop it. Stop. Let me just go. Okay. I'll come back to this lady, and I'll maybe do one more do Sabal's mission, then end it there. Yeah. So that was fun. I gotta blow up a animal's den. Oh god. Oh god, can't see what I'm doing. Oh hi, I'm back. Oh Jesus, I thought I ran into them. Uh oh, did I break my game? Did my system get too hot? No, it doesn't feel that hot. Oh good. Oh hi Badra.
Badra, how are you?
Good.
Oh, that's good.
Brought you these pelts.
So you'll show me how to put the pelts to good use. Okay, can I craft anything? Yay, I can craft another weapon holder. Yeah, I have a skill point. Oh, I could get lots of skills. Let's see, what do I want? I could get more health. You know what? I'm gonna get more health. That seems better than any of the others. Okay. Where am I going? All the way back. Oh wait, this is a fast travel. It is a fast travel. Okay, much better. Then you guys don't have to see me drive over there and fail at driving. Okay, we'll do Sabal's mission, and then yeah. Oh, I got a lot of freaking guns. Jesus, that was a lot of guns. Okay, get rid of you. Get rid of you. Ew, definitely get rid of the condom. Oh, I can't deal with that. Oh God. I'm sorry guys, I could not just freaking deal with that. Okay. Nice some of this. Can't buy anything else, can I? Nope. Got a sidearm. That is a good looking gun. I don't like you. Ooh, flare gun. Aw. Damn. Okay. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna change the friggin' paint on it. Classic. Vintage. Huntsman. Stalker. Modern. Silver. Ooh, silver shiny. I'm gonna get the... Oh God. I wasn't paying attention to how much that was. Okay, let's see what kind of weapons we got here. No. Again, no. That doesn't look good. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. Okay, you look freaking crazy. That's a rocket launcher. There's a sniper. Shotgun. What else we got? We got a bow. Regular bow. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this type of bow just because it's better. Okay, let's see what is better. Marksman, sighter, reflex. Reflex is better accuracy. Yeah, I'll go reflex. Let's see, white. Or that's purple, really? Huntsman, Stalker, Granite, Modern. Let's go white, because that looks pretty good. I probably wasted money. Now I can't buy a good sidearm. Damn. Oh, I still can buy this. Okay. I'll buy this as well. Wait, I have 2 slots. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I see what that means. Okay, then what do I need to... I need... Elan tapir skin. Okay, I don't know if I pronounced that right, guys. Excuse me if I didn't. You must pardon me if I didn't. God, I am not good with English. Okay. Okay, I'll enter Sabal's mission in just a sec. Okay. There, sorry, I had to redo something. There. So that's why you keep seeing jumps. Oh, god damn it. I thought it was press X. Oh, God.
Turn off that fucking radio!
Okay, what's going on here?
What happened to him?
He fell. Pagan floods the airways and we have to endure his bullshit. Enough is enough! I told him to climb up the old bell tower, take over the transmitters, hijack the broadcast locally. Except...
I can do it.
Way to step up, brother. There's no
There we go.
it, but it's a tricky climb.
Okay.
Promise me you won't fall.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fall. Watch it, I'm gonna fall. Now that I say I won't fall. Yeah, AJ might not fall, but I sure might make him fall. There's that bell tower I see. Yeah, I see. Oh, watch this, guys. Let's see, are you close enough to where I don't... Oh, you are not close enough. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Oh, this would be a perfect way to end this. Ha ha! Oh. Alright. Here we go, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, tree! Ah, crash land. Well, that was not my intention. Okay, let's run to this damn bell tower. I probably should have used better gun than this. Just... Oh, hey, I need to heal. There we go, much better. Okay, after I take over this bell tower, I will end the video there. So, hope you guys have enjoyed this so far. Oh, what's going... What? Okay. Oh, is there people down here? Whoa, I almost fell off. That would not have been good. I went around the sneaky way. Oh, I almost fell off there again. Oh, there's a dead guy over there. How did he... What? What is going on? Do I have to go down here? Oh, God. Huh? Oh, damn it. Sorry, guys. I realized I shouldn't have done that. Ow. See, told you I'd fall. I realized I didn't grab this, which is the grapple. Where's the dead dude? Is he not over here? Oh, oh, I fell on his body, that's what it was. There we go, now I can use the grappling. I guess you could say this is a grappling hook, really, even though I wouldn't consider it. Yeah, I was wondering why it wasn't popping up, guys. Because, see, I would grapple onto this. And then go like this. Oh, God, that's still scary. What is coming for you? What? I'm sorry, guys. I don't understand what the hell they're talking about. Oh, God. Oh. Okay. Let's get over here. Whoa, hello. Whoa, hello. I'm here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to do this sneakily, guys. Oh, I got him right in the arm. Okay, where's that other... I think I saw him. Ooh, where did I get him? Oh, in the back of the neck. God, you can really... Oh. Yeah, I don't like this, guys, because you can see the bees fly around your face. So the perfect way to get rid of them is that. Because you see, now they're all dying. Because if you destroy it normally... Oh, God fucking damn it. If you destroy it without setting it on fire, they will attack you and get angry. Like normal bees would. Get out of my way, damn boxes. Okay. Okay, obviously don't go that way. But let's rip down. Oh, it's not on the side. Sorry about that, guys. Let me make sure everything's still working here for a second. Okay, there we go. Sorry, guys, I just have to constantly check to make sure my connection's working properly. Oh, God. I hate doing those. What the? Get out of my way! God, that was annoying. Am I right? Let's see. Ooh, there's a box. Ooh, plastic elephant and $5,000. Nice. Okay. Almost at the top, guys. Huh. Okay. Do. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. I almost ran right off the edge, you guys. Do. Ah, do I just hijack this? Okay. How'd I oh, that. Okay, that's how I hijack. Click. Switch. Okay. Oh, what's going on? Wait, what? Okay. So there's a farm that's with us. No! The old Isha house! No, don't kill people! That's not nice! Hira's refugee. Okay. Okay. I'll spend this 1 point on, let's see, what's this? Target fire sign while moving body. Focus driving. Okay, I'll do this. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little thing, and next time I'm gonna hunt down this so I can get more weapons. So, come on. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, so, peace.